Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova Y91. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning let's go to settings and now enter display and brightness. Now, from the top of the list, you can change brightness level of the screen manually or via automatic brightness. Next, you can enable or disable dark mode, schedule it or enable all day. Then you can enable or disable icon form mode, also schedule it and change display filter level. Next, you can enable or disable ebook mode. Now, you can change text size and weight, display size, change sleep timeout between 15 seconds and 10 minutes, adjust color mode and color temperature, enable or disable smart resolution, change screen refresh rate, and in more display settings you can enable full screen mode for apps and hide notch for apps. And that's basically it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.